Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to use gesture navigation instead of buttons on the Infinix Note 60 Pro. To change navigation method, go to Settings, scroll down to System, and select System Navigation. Here, change from 3 buttons to gestures. To go back to the previous page, slide from the edge to the middle. To go to the home screen, slide up from the bottom. To open recent apps, slide up and hold in the middle of the screen. To close recent apps, swipe them up. There's also a tutorial available if you need it. Swiping from the right edge also works for going back. Swipe up from the bottom to go home, swipe up and pause to open recent apps. You can also switch between recent apps. That's all for this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.